Okay everybody, I'm here at the beginning of the Bedford County Covered Bridge Tour. I printed out this paper. I think it's the Bedford County website. I will post a link in the description. So right now the beginning of the tour is at the Old Bedford Village here in Bedford County. This is the Claycomb covered bridge. It was constructed in 1880 and was moved to this location in 1975. It is now the only access point to the Old Bedford Village. This is the Bowser Covered Bridge in Osterberg. It was built in 1890 and it was used until, I believe, 1970, when the bridge that's right here was built to bypass it. This is the Snooks Covered Bridge, constructed in 1883. This is the Dr. Knisley Covered Bridge. I couldn't find a year that it was built, but it's not being used. It's blocked off. This is the Roit Covered Bridge. It actually burnt down in 2002. but they rebuilt it and they opened it up again to traffic in 2004. I am in the Cuppets, I think that's how you pronounce it, the Cuppets covered bridge in New Paris. There's another bridge that is no longer open to vehicles. It runs along Route 96 is back here. And when I'm driving through a covered bridge, I just think of Beetlejuice. I left the covered bridge and I was coming through New Paris and I had to stop at Boyer Orchards to get some Honeycrisp apples. Okay, y'all, so what would be a trip through New Paris, Pennsylvania without stopping at Gravity Hill? So I made the turn off of 96 and I found the spots on the road where it says Gravity Hill start and stop, and I'm here. So let's see what happens, okay? I drove up to where it says Gravity Hill start, okay? My car has auto stop, so I restarted it. So it says put your car in neutral, take your foot off the brake. Okay, so my car is going backwards. My car is going backwards up this hill. I'm not sure how this works, what's going on, but my car is definitely going backwards. If you come here, make sure that there's no cars behind you. Make sure you don't hit anybody. But my car is in neutral and we're just coasting backwards. Pretty cool. Behind me here is the Coleman covered bridge. It was built in 1866. It's actually right on the border of Shawnee State Park. I am in the Turner or Deal covered bridge. It was built in 1892. It's kind of back behind a farm at the end of a gravel road with a lot of potholes. You can go through it and then there's a turnaround on the other side. Now this is a proper Pennsylvania road. Dodging all the potholes. I'm in the Heron Bridge. I think that's how you pronounce it. Heron. It was built in 1906 and is the longest covered bridge in Bedford County. It's really pretty. Today is Saturday, and on Wednesday we got, Hurricane Ida, the remnants of it, came through, and you can just see, like over here, where the leaves are brown, you can see how high the water was. It's still pretty high. It's just crazy. I'm so happy that these bridges haven't been washed away.